My name is Shriniwas. I came from Andhra Pradesh, West Godavari district and Bhimavaram. Last 3 months, I diagnosed as stomach cancer. At that time, I know Anandkunj about Shivambu Chikitsa, but at that time I came to Anandkunj, I have no confidence. I went to Hyderabad and Hyderabad में hospital doctor बोल दिया 5 chemos given and already after chemos and one surgery and after surgery 5 chemos. So already I have taken 3 chemos. So after 3 chemos, my health and mentally and physically, my health is so damaged. So I decided to Anand Kunj Shivambu is my final choice. So that's why I came here. And after I came to Anand Kunj, I have taken 6 days full fasting. And after fasting, my stomach and my digestion system is very good. So Anand Kunj, Dr. Nitin Patil को धन्यवाद बोलता हूँ.